We're at 9601 Forbes Street. This is looking at the main line in the street, pulling back after doing a sectional repair. We are looking at clay pipe. This is debris that we pushed through a little bit of the way due to additional roots after the sectional repair that we located. We'll be calling in for approval on the jetter. This is a belly on the line and a possible dislocation right here at 62 feet. Pushing a little bit further in. Yeah, 62.5 feet, pulling back. We go into a belly. Standing water on the line. Right there we drop, so it's a possible dislocation. About a foot or two. Difficult to tell. Right here we're on clay pipe, pulling back every 6 feet. Connections are either slightly disconnected or roots are penetrating. Right here on the right. Right here we're going up a little. There's the ABS and clay pipe connection at 39 feet. As we're pulling back, you can see we poked a hole with the camera. There's buildup, toilet paper, debris, and roots at the top that we would like to request a jetter to cut out between 69 feet and 39 feet, 36 feet and 39 feet. On the top left here, you can see there's a crack. Pulling back. This is now all ABS here. Remove the roots that were there, but the growth had continued, and would like to cut out with a jetter. Now we're coming out of the greenhouse. That's in the driveway. There's the clean out. There's the work. Those dug out and waiting for inspection.